come to the right side of the engine. This is what I'm trying to do it. I already removed this E10 bolts, and I'm using a now to make a space. I already removed this E10. Just make it snug a little bit up and pull it towards me, so I have enough space to make it this bolt out, and hopefully that will be easy for me to remove it now. Let's only save the time, otherwise you have to remove it, and somehow if you remove or if you have loose from the bottom side of this hose, then it will be really hard. Actually you have to remove it from the bottom, remove this hose, and then you able to move and remove this sensor, but it's not easy, so I'm trying to go for a little bit more space, and then I'll put my hand and take it off this one. So this is the plan. Let's see if I am able to do it, which looked like I can do it easily. So let me take it off, and then rest of the video I'll make it on. Okay, so easily I can remove it, and remember these are not metal base, it's some different material, so it's recommended to change bolts every time on Mercedes whenever you're not using a steel bolts, especially on this one, or put a Loctite. And remember, whenever you're reusing it, just snug it, do not tighten it too much because it can break. Just for a now it came out, I have enough space to take it off, this one and this one. And now you can see I already washed it, but still we have so much oil is coming due to it's how. So this is the best time you can check as well those are on the line or not. If you can put it this to 40 degree over there on the switch, is not easy to see it, the degree marking, but you have to remove the fan shower to make it top dead center, and then check all of the centers. It's numbers over here. This is how it looks. So this is how where you can see the timing as well, top dead center, and then you can do it. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to change this magnets because it's getting leak on the top, not on the o-ring. It's old, but here's the issue. Why I'm changing it is the issue. Whenever it start oil leaking on the top, they can penetrate oil. Already washed it, but it's been like a week ago I washed it, and still you can see the oil marks over here, and especially on this one was leaking badly, you can see it. So this is the reason you have to change the magnets or angle sensor. Hopefully you will like this video. Once you finish it, tie it with the snug hand first, and then snug it a little bit, and that's it. So rest of the o-rings will be take care. Let me open the new one, which is Special tool, this is 8mm and that will work. This is handy for if you have this type of set, you can use it. It's very good set and it's handy to control your tools. So hopefully if you're working with the European cars, you will keep it, or if you're working with the Fords as well, you need it. So that's a good tool. So hopefully you will like my video. Rest of the thing is fixing back, and that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Shahrukh from Auto Service Provider. This is part 2 of the video. Please share, subscribe my channel. That will help me out. Thank you. So remember one more thing. Do not take it out completely with this tool, because that will stuck in the end. So this is the position where you can take it off your tool, and rest of the thing you can take it out with the hand, like, and same thing when you're putting back, you have to take it out 5/6 thread with the hand, and then it's enough space to put it in. That's what I feel that is the best I can do it. So E10 is actual size of this nuts bolts, and you can use a 8mm as well to become an E10.